Welcome to Techleaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to run HTML file on Visual Studio Code. Now, at first, what you have to do is just right-click on your desktop and create a new folder. Let's name this HTML folder. Then just open up this folder. Then inside this folder, just right-click anywhere. Then click on Show More Options. Then click on Open with Code. After that, just minimize this. Then just wait, Visual Studio Code will open up. And there you go. As you can see, Visual Studio Code has opened up in the same folder. Now you can just click on New File and create a index.html file, or you can just create multiple HTML files in here. Then just write your HTML code in here. I'm just gonna add a simple paragraph here, which is gonna say hello world, and just write your HTML code here. And now to run your HTML code, what you need to do is just go here to extensions, then type live server, then search for live server. Then here you'll find this, just open this up. You'll find the install button here, just click on install, then just wait, it will download and install the extension on your Visual Studio Code for you. Then just go to your HTML file again. Then to run this HTML file, what you need to do is right click on this file. And here, click on Open with Live Server. Then just give it a few seconds. And as you can see, it has opened our HTML file. If your HTML file is properly coded, it will be a really beautiful website right here. It is whatever you code inside your HTML file. And basically, that is how to run HTML file on Visual Studio Code. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.